All right, y'all, this is kind of cool. These were in the factory the other day. We were not allowed to take pictures of them. We were, well, we were allowed to take pictures, but we could not publish them. So I've got some pictures of this coming in, but look at this. This is the brand new Scram 440. Look at this. Look at the colors. Isn't that just a beautiful thing? I don't know what kind of power specs it has. I don't know what the numbers are going to be, but this is just amazing. Absolutely amazing colors. So we've got this kind of a silver here, white, silver, teal. There's this one here, which is kind of a red, white, and blue. Actually, it's actually orange. Look at that thing. Both of these have tubeless tires on mags. Very city bike. Look at that. Compact engine guards. That is just amazing. Headlight guard. Wow. Bag on the back. There were two other colors, I believe. Okay, this one right here, the green. Check that out. Green on white with yellow. Beautiful, beautiful. Hand guards, custom mirrors. This one's on spokes. Oh, I like that. I like the spokes on these. I'm a spoke guy because I'm an old man, you know. But check that out. Isn't that just gorgeous? Let's look at the dash. It's got the it's got the new dash. That's what the old Scram had, I think. Beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely. And then here's the third color. This is silver with orange. On mags this time again. I like it. So we saw this the other day, and I was just super excited. Actually, the guide was walking us through the factory, and he let it slip. I'm sure it was on purpose, and I caught it immediately. I was standing next to him, and I stopped everybody in the path, and you know, I wanted more information. And then he walked us down to the area where these bikes were sitting, and he let us take pictures, and then he said, you can't publish them for 2 days. So, you know, very, very, what a privilege to see these things. I wish I could tell you about what else we saw in their factory, because it was just mind-blowing. Almost flat-footed? Yeah. You want me to walk around you? Sure. Make me look thin. Suck it in then. I can't. I'm there. Wonder what color that is. Wow. It's all right, I won't walk around the back of you. Brand new Royal Enfield, classic 650. That feels good. Yeah? That feels good. Look at that gold one. Or green one. That teal, yeah. Look at this through here. The classic dash. We've got the normal, oh, these are chrome. Look at this. Chrome now, yeah. Got the hand grips, those round, those cool hand grips, levers. What else? You notice anything else? Covered up forks. This is all metal. Yep. I wonder if the fender's metal. And I love the visor over the light. Yeah. How about the fender? Is that metal? Yeah, it looks like it's metal. And then on the black and chrome, it's chrome fender. Oh wow! It's painted on the two colors. That's amazing. Look at that. I love that. Cat's eyes, tiger eyes. That tells you it's a Royal Enfield. No one else has copied that. No doubt, no doubt. Somebody will. All metal. Everything's metal. Beautiful bike. Beautiful bike. Check it out. Black and chrome. The green. Life is good, my friends. Wahoo! Appreciate that. All right, y'all. Gorilla.
No, but so I will put that in some doubt, please. So take photos.
Wonder what?
I like.
I'm gonna sit on it.
Just a minute.
Yeah, yeah. Come on, I offered to move it. Gorilla 450.
The model we have 5 colors is there. The golden color is a gold different color.
I can sit on it, right?
Gold dip only is gold dip, black.
How's it feel?
It feels narrow through the center. I can almost flat foot it, but the pegs are in my way. Not a problem. Here's the, look at that. That's beautiful. Incredible paint.
Sorry.
Look at that dash. Okay, I got to get off of it because there's other people that want to do the same thing.
Hey, I'm trying to hold this for a sec so that way I can have this in my video. Easy, flat.
Here's yet another one, another color. I think this one's brown. That is a regular classic with that really cool paint. We saw one of these out in the wild the other day. It's got the white side covers, the white tank on bronze paint. Absolutely beautiful machine. Look at that. I'm in love, totally in love with this thing. Let's look at the other side. Wow, that is amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, the red dust on there, I love it, I love it. Okay, we're walking into, it says genuine motorcycle accessories. This is all Royal Enfield again. Here's a gorilla right here. Let's see what we got on the wall for this one. Engine guards, front end gear seat, radiator protector. I'm not sure what they have on the bike. So yep. Red dust again. Love it, love it. Let's walk over here to the Himalayan. Skid plate, rally bars, skid plate, crash bars, the rear luggage. Oh, this has got the rally kit. Look at that. The rear end. We drove one of these a week ago. That's amazing. I love it. I love it. Look at that thing. Oh, sorry. Check it out. Check it out. Super Meteor in red. Love it. You make it look good. And over here is the shotgun. Stencil white. Right, right. Very nice. The bags. Over here again is the Goa 350. Look at that hot rod. Just a sea of humanity here. Everybody's trying to take pictures, including me. So these kind of crash bars are not hot in America, but if you were to ride the traffic here in India, you'd understand why those are so valuable here. That is the classic, I mean, that's the Bullet, 350 Bullet. Black on black. That is different. Oh, this is the one with the chrome pipe. Okay, I get it. Yes, this has the chrome exhaust pipe. It's got the military side bag. Here's some of the accessories here. Just gorgeous. Let's see if we can find accessories for the classic 650. This is the 350 with the chrome sides. Okay, here we go. Classic 650 accessories, engine guards, sump guards, foot pegs, mirrors. There they are right there. So the chrome bars on this one. Sump guard on the bottom. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous motorcycle. Look at this tank here. Wow. I love it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wahoo! Wahoo! Oh yeah, look at that. I wonder if we can see that better from the other side.